Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this chicken pie. This is not your regular chicken pie. I just want to show you how I hide vegetables for my kids as well. This is basil leaves with chicken breast. I cooked it and I'm going to add all the ingredients that I needed. I added um that basil leaf there, then potato. I will cook them. I left it overnight so that they will cuddle together, and I removed it from the water. So I'm going to blend. There's no water remaining even, so I blended it together. There's no need adding um extra flour. This is the carrot that I'm going to use. I also use food processors for both of them. Yes, now I have to set them aside, and it's good to go. So I am going to keep them aside for me to allow it to cool down. It's already cooled down. I added all the ingredients I needed for my dough. I mixed this. I'm not a professional chef, but that is this recipe that I use, and it was so good. So now I'm mixing them together, all together. Now, if you know the way you make your own dough, do it. This is how I make my own. I mix it together. I kept it on the table, on the countertop. It's very clean. And I rolled it after. I rolled them together, and then I started making them flat to fill up. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I have a lot of videos. That you will watch. Please subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can receive um my videos anytime I upload. This now I'm adding them together. You see, usually when you are making meat pie, you put extra this, extra that. No, I didn't put it. But what was my own, what I concentrated on is how my children will eat vegetable. Did you see? Can you find any vegetable there? No. You really see that carrot. So that is it for today. Until I come way next time. See you soon. Bye bye.